Hello students, today I'm going to start chapter 13, that is 13.3. I'm going to give you only those notes where you know that some of the like cylinder, cone and the volume of the hemisphere and a sphere, some part from the chapter 13 is omitted, okay? So, like not omitted means we need to take the internal assessment. So, apart from that, the chapters left like total surface area and the curved surface area of cylinder, cone, hemisphere, and sphere. This all I'm going to give you from today. Okay. So let us start. Exercise 13.3, question number 1. Exercise 13.3, question number 1 says that the diameter of a cone, you know, cone. You studied in class 8 also about the cone. This is the cone. For cone, one of the best example that we can take is the joker cap. Okay. In the joker cap, this is called upper one, and this downside is called base. It is just like a circle. Okay, circle. So this circle is called circumference, and this middle line, if you draw it in the middle, and there definitely the center will be there, that is called radius. Okay, and this one is slant, this one is called slant height. Slant height means L, we are taking for the cone, and this is your height. Height was always, it need to be straight. Now similarly, question is, if the question is find the volume, so you know the volume means the volume formula we'll use for the cone, and if the curved surface area, we'll use the curved surface area formula. Curve means what? Only the cover one, and the total means cover and the base also, we need to close it full complete. This is called total surface area. So let us start question number 1. The diameter of the base of a cone is 10. This diameter means from here to here, diameter is how much? 10.5. And the slant height is 10. This slant height, this is 10. Question is, find its curved surface area. So we need to write class 9, exercise 13.3. Question number 1 for cone. For cone, radius or diameter. Diameter is given, diameter D is given how much? 10.5 centimeter. But we need to, diameter is no use in any one of the solution. We need to find the radius. So we'll find the radius. So radius is equal to 10.5. Radius formula is what? D by 2. Okay, D. So D means what? Diameter. So diameter is what? 10.5. 10.5 by 2 centimeters. Since it is not divisible, just we will leave it the same. And the slant height. Slant height is given how much? 10 centimeter. Slant height is what? 10 centimeter. Question is, find the curved surface area. So we'll find the curved surface area. Therefore, curved surface area of cone. Curved surface area of the cone formula is what? Pi RL. So pi is 22 by 7, as you know from before only. Pi is 22 by 7, and R we have 10.5. 10.5 by 2 centimeter into height, length, slant height is 10 centimeter. So 22 by 7 into 10, 5 by 2. After one digit point here, that's why we'll bring the 1 0 downside into 10. 0 0 cancel. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. Again, 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7. 10 minus 7, 3, 35. 7 5s are 35. So we have 11 into 15. 11 into 15. Here centimeter, here also centimeter. So centimeters into centimeter, centimeter square. We'll multiply. 15 ones are 15. 15 ones are 15, 15 ones are 15, and 1 16. 165 centimeter square. This is the solution for question number 1.